DC.
Man, I'm life so slow, and I'm trying to think where I'ma go, I don't know where to go, cause you know me, I call my women beautiful. And it's all about this, cause it's all for this, and I knew I could do it, man, it's all shit. And these niggas talking shit any day, but you know me, it's one thing, all I say is screw you, man. Gotta have my enemies, try to pump myself, cause you know it's nobody than nobody else. Gotta feel me, gotta see it, got to see me shine. Gotta do it, you know it ain't no mountain high. I put my hands up, cause I say Jesus, J-E-S, yeah, U-S, Jesus, cause you know it's pleases. If you know me, then you gotta go and see us. Man, I sees my people, I sees the treatle. I know he's the only one I see, son. Most people, they don't even see you. They don't even wanna be the one to try to tease you. Cause they look at you, don't see you. Look past your eyes, then they wanna judge you. Don't try to do good things, but they don't know that good things make diamond rings. I always wanna do bad, but never wanna sit up there and listen to the glad. No, why am I still dealing with it? I know, cause Jesus was the one for it. He died for us, he died for me, he died for you. Say please, he's the only one that's in the eyes. If you know it was no mountain high. Say, don't matter about the clothes, don't matter about the earrings, don't matter about the glove. Only thing that matter if you're still here and you got your head up in your tears. You ain't gotta show nobody to nobody else. All you gotta just do and let them know yourself. Cause you know you gotta be yourself. Gotta be your one, gotta be better than any else. I'ma give it to you, yeah, I'ma tell you straight. I can sing and I know it's money straight. It's my illustration, don't try to judge me, cause Jesus was the one that was for me. Man, I thank God every time for my enemies, cause I know it was things that made it please. People in this day, man, they try to style on you. Never sit up there and try to get you for the good things you do. But you know you gotta just sit back and let it slap. Cause you know why, you already know Jesus gon' handle that. Put your hands up and say you ain't in it, cause you been it. You said you already did it, and it's enough, you don't spin it. You wanna sit up there and wanna change your life so you'll know. And they won't try to mess with you, cause they know that you a foe. Take your life care, take it right, cause you know me, it's one life. And I know it, you can do it, just put yourself to Christ. Just stand up with your head tall and don't let it fall. Cause you let it fall and you know what, you gotta crawl.